tutorial. In this tutorial, we will teach you how to create an animated train by using KineMaster app. So for that purpose, you need to install KineMaster app in your mobile. Now here we are in. You have to select the aspect ratio of the project, that is according to your choice 16 by 9, 9 by 16 and 1 by 1 according to your convenience as you feel it. Here we are taking 16 by 9 ratio project, and from here we are selecting an image, a background image for a project. Now you have to extend the background as you wish according to the time you want to extend your video to. Then you have to select pan and zoom option, and then you have to zoom out the background so that it fits on the screen exactly as you want. Then go to layer option, select media, and then you have to select the train. This image will be provided to you in the description box. Now rotate the image and then select the cropping option. Crop it. And then zoom it according to the size you want. Like I want to get a bigger train, so I zoom it more and then place it here. Then extend it, the duration of the train, and then go back to layer option. There you will select the image of this platform. Here again crop it. Then place it here and then extend it. Here you can see a key option. Click on it. Select the train option and then key. Place the train to the starting position, and then after some time place the train at the end position like this. And here you can see how easily we have created a train animation. Now if you wish to have a longer train, then just add another such box at the end of the first box. So here we can duplicate it and then place it at the end of the first box. Place it here, and here you can see the boxes are merged, resulting into a big new train. In the similar way, you can add as many as boxes you want. Now to change this title, we will go to layer, overlay, and then select neon borders. Here you can select any one of it. I will select this one and then put it here. Choose your size according to you and then extend it. Now for adding text, we will go to layer, text, and then suppose I have to write personal express. So here I have written this, put it here, and then I will change the font of this one. You can see there are many fonts. You can choose one of them. I will choose this one here. And then extend it to. Here you can see a personal express is ready. You can put any text on the train too. Now here, if you want to increase the speed of the train, then just decrease the duration of the train widget. So here we see the speed of the train has increased. Now, yeah, it's faster than before. But here, as we notice, the last box which we have added is not here. So to finish up with our train, we will bring the next box widget in front and then reduce its duration. So here we will first see what is the duration of the first one. Similarly, we will do the duration of the second one. Make sure they both have the same duration and then we will set it in a way such that they seems to be connected. Here, click to the second widget and then select the 3 dots here, then send to back. Here you can see a purpose to do so, that now the wheels of the train are not above the platform. We hope you liked our video. Please like and subscribe.